Good evening. I'm by the name of Mukundwa Jessica, and I'm here to talk about taxation and the importance of paying taxes. And let us start on the meaning of taxation. Taxation is a process of paying taxes that was implemented by the government. Those taxes are paid either by individual or organization, and those taxes that we pay help us to help the government to in different activities, um, and those activities they have to be paid when the person has learned any income and an income, or where the person can pay the taxes for of their own properties, like fixed properties, let's say like car, house, and other many fixed assets. And person the organization pay taxes when they have imported some products from outside the country. And there is another question 3, which talk about importance of paying taxes. The taxes that have paid by individual or organization are either to by government to build the infrastructures like roads, hospitals, schools, and other many infrastructures that are needed within our country, and are also they help the government to get the salary that has to be paid to the government employees. Another thing that I can say is question 4, connection between tax payment and business. And here what I can say about this question is the business has to pay taxes when they have imported the product outside the country, because this is a legal action. Also, the business when they have it, they don't pay the taxes, means their business are not registered in RRA. Here this is also illegal because that business is performing illegally. And about the question 5 is about personal income tax. This personal income tax are the tax which are paid by personal, not in not with the company, depending on what he has done, and monthly, annually, something like that. Means that those taxes are paid monthly or annually, regularly. And also about question 6, pay as you earn. Here you have to pay as to the these taxes are paid by the employees, are the one who pay the taxes. Those the salary are given the salary given to the employee when their taxes are removed. The taxes are removed before they receive their salaries. Means that those taxes are paid by their employee. Uh, when On question 7, you have given us the calculation, and I think that I will not be able to give the answers as you have requested, but I will try to explain. Here, as you have given us the question, which you have to use tax rates. Let me say about the tax rate. As the RSSB has published this tax rate or in 2023. In 2023, those who earn from 0 Rwandan francs to 60 Rwandan francs, they don't pay the taxes, means their percentage is 0%. And about those who earn 61 to 100, they pay 10% of their salaries as taxes. And those who earn from 101 to 200, they pay 20%. And those are 20 they pay those from those from 101 to 200 they pay 220% of their salaries as taxes, and those who earn above 200 they pay they pay 30% of their salaries. And on the question 8, contribution to RSSB, as they are in pension scheme, as they have the RSSB has published it, and in 2025 we have said from January 2025 the pension contribution to RSSB required by those who are going to pay pension, they have increased, they have doubled, the rate has doubled. Where they before they paid about 6%, but now is 12%, where there is employer share, which is 6%, and employee share, which is 6 also percent. And the about this question 8, which is require also the steps. I have seen that we have to take the salary to first calculate the pension contribution by taking the salary times the pension rate, and another step, step 2 is to take the maternity contribution is equal to maternity leave times salary, and then final answer or the total contribution is equal to pension leave plus maternity leave contribution, which will show us the amount of money that person will contribute to RSSB. And about the final question, you have asked us the contribution to RSSB that required for those who has for medical insurance scheme, and I have seen that RSSB has said that the medical insurance debt or contribution that government worker has to contribute is equal to 15%, where the employer has share of 7.5% and employee has a share of 7.5% also. Thank you. That's all.